Dell's XPS family of notebooks is growing, literally. This is the all-new Dell XPS 17. As the name implies, this new Ultrabook features a spacious and gorgeous 17-inch display. It also features Dell's updated design language the company introduced with the XPS 13 9380. A 17-inch system may sound daunting to anyone who likes to travel with their notebook. Fortunately, Dell did more than simply scale up the previous generation XPS 15. The new design language features a taller 16:10 aspect ratio and virtually eliminates the bottom bezel. As a result, the XPS 17 is less than an inch wider and about half an inch deeper than the previous, already petite XPS 15. The new design won't have everyone jumping for joy. Dell has done away with USB Type-A ports entirely. Instead, the XPS 17 has a total of 4 Type-C ports. These all have Thunderbolt 3 with power delivery and DisplayPort capability. Dell will include a Type-C to Type-A and HDMI 2.0 adapters in the box. We do have to give Dell props for keeping a full-size SD card reader. Increasing the form factor provides space for more powerful hardware. Like the XPS 15, the XPS 17 can be outfitted with a discrete graphics card. The new XPS 15 9500's configurations top out at a GTX 1650 Ti. The XPS 17 can handle an RTX 2060 Max-Q. This additional headroom not only allows the notebook to chew through more polygons, but also unlocks real-time ray tracing support. Dell has brought another very welcome change to the XPS 17, 2 physical SODIMM slots. It can be kitted out with an ample 64 GB of system memory from the factory, but it is reassuring to know that the lower spec configurations can be expanded as needs change in the future. The display is a marvel for content creators. It features full 100% Adobe Rgb and 94% DCI P3 coverage and Display HDR certification. Dell specifies a 1650:1 contrast ratio, 500 nit peak brightness, and a 0.65% anti-reflective coating to deliver great viewing in any lighting environment. In our testing, glare has certainly not been an issue. Only direct light reflections show up, and they are well tempered. The webcam is properly positioned in the very narrow top bezel. The webcam delivers a serviceable 720p 30 fps feed. Like most built-in webcams, the sensor struggles with poor lighting conditions. We recommend a USB webcam or interchangeable lens camera for serious recordings. The keyboard area has also seen a pleasant upgrade. The XPS 17 and new XPS 15 both feature user-facing stereo speakers. The speakers leverage Waves NX 3D audio. This gives the system another parlor trick. This software can leverage the webcam to track your head position and deliver audio accordingly. If you'd like to learn more about the all-new Dell XPS 17, make sure to stop by HotHardware.com for our full review and analysis. While you're at it, be sure to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Like and comment on this video, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for stopping by.